Hi, hello everyone. This is Alankrita. So I'm back with new AeroGarden update video. So this video is about week 4 and week 5. Last week I was not able to record a video because of some household chores. So I just want to consolidate it into one video. Week 1, 2, 3 are almost same. You just add plant food for every 14 days and add some water whenever the indicator shows add water. But week 4 and week 5 are a little bit different because let me show you. Here is how it looks. You can see there is little bit of gap in here. So I have removed 3 of those plants from here and planted it here. One is outside, as you can see, that's mint, and the other 2 are here. Okay, let me talk to you about what has changed from week 1 to 3 to week 4 and 5. First thing is, it has become too crowded over there and it's difficult for all the plants to share the resources, water and plant food. So because of that, there is some tension that is happening between the plants. I can see them clearly. So what I did was I have taken out 3 plants and then left 3 plants over there so that all of them will have enough space to share. And how I chose those 3 plants is, the first one is cilantro. Cilantro, what happened to cilantro was it is retaining excess moisture and it started getting spoiled from the root level. Like there are 2-3 seeds, so there are 2-3 stems that have come up, but one of them is getting spoiled. So what I did was I planted it in this mug. So this is like the mug that I don't use and I don't want to throw, so I have reused this mug. I'm sure you must be like having these kind of mugs at home, like the plastic mugs. So I have just taken the plant pod and then planted it right here. So just made a small hole on top and then just planted it, added some water as you can see here and small amount of plant food, because for the entire AeroGarden I will add 2 small lids of plant food, but for this is just a tumbler. I think it's less than half gallon, so I just added 1/4 lid of plant food to this. And if you see here, it's airy and there is no competition for this to grow, so the new small ones are coming up, small roots are coming up from the soil. Okay, this is how the cilantro is taken care of. Coming to the chamomile, it has become big, as you can see here. I think it's half the height of me, probably. Here is the chamomile. Our buds are touching the light and because of the excessive heat they are getting burnt. So I cannot let that happen, so I just moved to another tumbler which is given by my dentist. Very excited to make the chamomile tea. So here is the mint. I have added this mint in a pot and added some potting mix into it and just took the soil from the seed pot and then just inserted it in the soil. That's it. That's what I have done. And I did not find any tumbler for this mint to grow. Okay, that's it. And now my dearest plants, tomato and mirchis, which we call in India. 2 types of mirchis are growing well, and today is the first time that I'm seeing this tomato. This is first tomato bud that has come to this plant. Some peppers, and even for this plant also some buds. Also reusing these to-go containers, aluminum foil, this and this from the curd box, so that I'm giving the plastic second life. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, of course the maintenance, there is a little bit of maintenance that I have done. Like the time of maintenance has been increased from the past 3 weeks when compared to now. But still, it is of, I mean, it has become my interest now, so I don't feel like I have to take care of extra. I have to give credit to AeroGarden for making this happen, because I have never been a plant grower. I started growing things with AeroGarden and it has given me confidence that I can also do it. I think my grandmother used to grow some vegetables before their home in a small village, but I've never paid attention to it because I thought it's so conjuice to grow food inside, because I don't want to spend on the outside food. But I feel bad for it now, and I feel very happy for growing my own food at home, and happy that I have learned these things on my own. So I think you can also do it. You can also grow your own food, and it feels so happy to do it. Okay, see you in the next video.